Cover blocks. The cover is the distance between the surface of the reinforcement closest to the nearest concrete surface. It should be sufficient in order to guarantee the protection of the steel against corrosion, the safe transmission of bond forces, and adequate fire resistance. Concrete cover. On drawings, the nominal cover should be specified in EC02 code book. It is defined as a minimum cover C minimum plus an allowance in design for deviation, del C deviation. So we can say that C normal is equal to C minimum plus del C deviation. So here we can find the value of C minimum. The value of del C for use in a country may be found in its natural annex. The exposure classes. The exposure classes is defined in Codebook EN 206 Part 1. The main classes are XO, no risk of corrosion or attack; XC, risk of carbonation induced corrosion; XT, risk of chloride induced corrosion; XS, risk of chloride induced corrosion; XF, risk of Fritz-Thaw attack; XA, chemical attack. Structural class. If the specified service life is 50 years, the structural class is defined as 4. The structural class can be modified in case of following conditions. The service life is 100 years instead of 50 years. The concrete strength is higher than necessary. Slabs. Position of reinforcement not affected by construction process. Special quality control measures should be applied. The final applying service class can be calculated with table 4.3n in codebook. The value of C minimum duration is finally determined as a function of the structural class and the exposure class EC 0.2 clause 1.1 table 4.4n. Concrete cover according to codebook BS 8500. The guidance in this annex applies to the ordinary carbon steel reinforcement and pre-stressing steel. Guidance on cover to stainless steel is not given, limited to XC, XT and XS exposure classes. Compressive strength is included as an indirect control on these parameters. Tolerance for cover BS 8110111997. Nominal cover is the design depth of concrete cover to all steel reinforcement including links. It is the dimension used in design and indicated on the drawings. The actual cover to all reinforcement should never be less than the nominal cover minus 5 mm. Strength of cover block. The mix used for cementitious spacer shall have cube strength of at least 50 Newton per mm square at 20 days when casted, cured and tested in accordance with BS Code 1881, 111, 1881, 108 and 1881 Part 116 respectively. Spacers for slab edges. Vertical reinforcement. Vertical reinforcement, that is, reinforcement at right angles to the top and bottom surfaces of the slab, shall be tied at every intersection and have spacers on every other vertical bar. Horizontal reinforcement parallel to the edge of the slab. Horizontal reinforcement parallel to the edge of the slab shall be tied at every other intersection and shall have spacers at centers not exceeding 50D and not exceeding 1000 mm centers on each bar. Spacers for beams. The links on fabric to which the spacers are attached shall be at the ends of the beam and at centers not exceeding 1000 mm along the beam. Spacers for columns. Spaces within columns. Links to which the spaces are attached shall be at the top, middle and bottom of each lift of concrete and at centers not exceeding 100 D.